Wow. I'm sitting here after a busy day, asking myself, what kind of video should I create for you guys today? What should I tell you guys to impact you, to take you where you are towards where you want to be? And I know I talk about crypto always, like make money, do that, do this, but there's something else that I think you guys need to understand when it comes to investing in cryptocurrency. And this is exactly what I want you to understand today, what I want you to know. This message that I want to share with you right now, I think no one else out there will tell you the truth about yourself, about your environment, about who you connect with, about who you sleep with, about who you talk to, about who you call every day, about the things you do with your time every day. We all are in this space. We have 24 hours a day. What do you do with your time? You see people out there say they are crypto millionaires, they made this amount of money in crypto, they do this, they do that. Do you think they sit on their sofa one day or on their couch one day and suddenly money fell from the sky and meet them? No. Do you think people out there who build wealth, they were able to build wealth by sitting somewhere talking with the wrong people or gossiping around with the wrong people or sleeping with the wrong people or communicating or surrounding themselves with people who have no value or who don't give them any impact? Do you think these guys were able to build or to become who they are today or what they are today by surrounding themselves with all those sort of people? No, I don't think that's what they have been doing or what they did back then. I want to believe what they did is connect with the right people. I think they were really working so hard to build something sustainable, and their environment was laughing at them, saying what you're doing won't succeed. What you're doing is out of control. Are you think you're the only one or you are the first? Many people will say that to you and to so many others out there. And today I want you to know this. You are the only you. You are the only you. You alone can decide what you want to be in life. You alone can decide how your future is going to be like. No one else can make you or can tell you otherwise except you. So when you allow yourself to connect with people who add no value to your life, then you won't see any growth in your life either. You invest every day in different cryptocurrencies. All your mind is, I want to become a crypto millionaire. I want to make money in crypto. But there is no plan. There's no day you wake up to understand the project that you are investing in. There's no strategy that you have put in place. Nothing to help you, to guide you towards where you want to be. You have no strategy to take you to success. No plan. You just wake up someday and someone tells you, buy this, you buy it. You behave like a puppet. You behave like a pet. Yeah, I'm sorry to say that. That's who you are right now. Unless you change, you must change for yourself and that of your family. Look at your kids right now and your kids in the future. Do you think you want your kids to live the life you're living right now, or you want to build something better than what you are having right now, or than what you had? I believe you want to build something more better for your kids, for your future, for your 40 years you, your 50 years you. How do you think you're gonna be, or what do you think you're gonna be when you get to 50 years, 40 years, 45 years, 60 years? How will you survive? How will you take care of yourself? You need to answer all these questions. Look. Let's go away from crypto. I mean, this is applicable in whatsoever thing you are doing. Crypto is just something I'm interested in, and I think it's an industry that everyone out there, regardless of who you are, you can make it, you can be successful in the space. This is the most easiest industry to make money genuinely. So if you hear me talk about crypto as an example, don't think it's applicable only on crypto or only to crypto. This is applicable to anything out there or everything out there that you do or anyone else do to make themselves better. If you want to start a business, have you taken time to study the business that you want to do? Or you just go about telling people you want to do this, do that, and when they tell you do it like this and you do it like that, and when you fail, you blame them? No, you have to blame yourself. You have to come out from your comfort zone and connect with the people who are going to help you become what you want to be in the future. Let me tell you something. I'm called the king of networking, the networking guru, not because I fabricated it from nowhere. I told myself that I want to become the greatest networker that history has created or have existed in history. And that that mindset didn't tell me I was the best. No. It gives me that motivation to go out there and connect with people, with the right people. Who I am today is because I put myself out there to network and learn the things. I put in the hard work. I lose money, make money. That's not my problem. My main concern is, my main focus is education. If I get the education, that's what I'm focusing on. That's what I want to achieve. That's what makes me powerful. That's what makes me going, or that's what keeps me going. And today, I want to tell you this. If, say, you put time, work on that time every day, keep some time aside for yourself, some time for everything you want to do, and you're going to see results instantly. You'll see how impactful you're going to be. Keep time aside to learn the things that matters. Connect with people that will take you where you are towards where you want to be. Don't be with people that you have same conversations every day. Every day, every year, every month, you meet them somewhere, the same conversation. Everywhere you go, the same conversation, no changes. You have to abstain from such people. It's difficult to be successful. Look, guys, if I tell you how far I've gone, at times I be myself. I abstain from people. I don't go there because the vibe is what I need. I need an environment where I can think, I can go beyond, like deeper, to exploit that one thing that I need to take me towards where I want to be. Every day I work on myself. Every day I build myself. Every day I want to be successful. And I do this because I love to see people grow. My wish for everyone out there is for them to be successful doing what they love and make money doing what they love. Look, life is so short. You can't spend it right now doing whatsoever you think is good for you. No, don't focus only about you. Look at your environment, your kids. The ones you're going to impact. There are many people out there who are waiting for you to help them succeed. So, my friend, whatever you're doing right now, make sure you go deeper. If, say, you look at your left, at your right, up, down, and you find no people or no one around you who can work with you, who can help you, who can advise you, who can mentor you, who can give you good vibes, then run away from those people. Go look for someone else out there who can give you that vibe. So this is my message for you today. If you find this content helpful, then you know what to do. Subscribe for more content. But on my channel, I talk about crypto. Crypto is what I love, and I want to help you out there to be successful. I want to see you guys grow. I want to see you guys become millionaires. I myself want to see myself become a multi-millionaire. Right, so that's a goal, yeah. But money is not my only drive. I love family, I love community. That's why you see me trying to help you guys. I would love to see people grow. Whenever I see someone out there successful in what they are doing, I'm so happy. So go out there and be successful. Bye bye.